Today I will show you how to use TradingView, how to add indicators, tools, and how to do market replay to test your strategies. First, let's click on here on the left top corner. You can check your profile right here, and also you got some app settings. You can change the color of the TradingView. If you like light color, you can change it to light. If you prefer black, it's up to you. You got some other options here as well, but you probably won't use them. Let's start from the top of the screen. You can see I've got few different layouts right here. You're gonna have one in the beginning, but you can create new layout. For example, I got chart over here, black and gray. If you want to add new layout, just click on plus and create new layout. You can see the chart is looking a little bit different, so you can add indicators over here or you can change colors of the candlesticks. So you're gonna have different ones on one layout and different ones on the other layout with different indicators. It's pretty cool if you want to use different strategies on different charts. So if you want to change color of the candlesticks, just right click on the chart, go settings, and let's start from the top. Symbols. Here you can change body of the candle. So let's say green and red. Borders, let's say green and red. And wicks, we're gonna leave black. Over here you can change the time zone. So if you are in different time zone, probably yes. You can set your local time. So just find it from the list right here. Other options: status line, scales and lines, canvas. Over here you can add watermark to the chart. Just click on here, replay mode, description, interval, ticker. You can see you got watermark at your chart. You can change color of this watermark, let's say yellow or maybe red, and opacity you can change it as well. If you want to make it more visible, just go to the right. If less, just go to the left. Okay, you can change color of the text of the scales right here. It's black, so you can change it for, let's say, red. You can see it changed for red. Next is trading, alerts and events. You can add session breaks if you want to see every single day separate, okay? If you change everything, you can save the template. If you like, just go save template, add few different templates, and you can load them anytime. You can see if I move the chart, the watermark stays in the place. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. I cannot see session breaks, so let's go back to the settings. Session breaks. Okay, now it's visible. So one day over here, another day, another day. So if you need that, just add it in settings. Okay, over here you can choose from different time frames. I think range bars are available too. Like you can see over here, many different time frames. So I'm sure you're gonna find something for yourself. Right here you can change the candles. Probably you're gonna use basic candles, but you can change it for lines or high and lows, Heikenashi. It's up to you. Depends of your strategy. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the candles. Next, you can see we got some indicators right here. So if you want to add any indicator, first you need to look for it from the list. So if you click on it, you can see here I got list of favorites. Probably in the beginning you won't have anything right here. Just look for any indicator. Let's say you're looking for a moving average, okay? If you want to add it to favorites, just click on the star. Make it yellow, and that means it's added to your favorites. If you want to add it to the chart, just click on it and you can see average has been added to the chart. Also, if you click on this arrow here, you can hide your indicators like this, or you can just hide the indicator if you click on this eye. If you want to change settings, just click on here and you can change colors of the exponential moving average. Actually, you can change settings of every single indicator, okay? Inputs, let's say we want to make it 21 as well. Just mark it over here and click OK. You can see now I got two different lines on the chart. If you want to remove indicator from the chart, just click on this rubbish bin right here. If you are using TradingView for free, you can add only, I think, 4 indicators, but if you're gonna pay for the subscription, you can add many more indicators, and probably you're gonna have some more history if you want to do some back tests, okay? So if you want to add another indicator, just look for your indicator, click on it, and it will be added to the chart. Let's wait for the indicator to load. And like I said, you can hide it or remove it completely from the chart. If you want to create alert, just click on here. Let's say you want to set it on NASDAQ, condition price, crossing value. You can add the value where you want to set your indicator, trigger once or every time, and expiration date. So if you want to create it, just click on here, set it and create. Okay. Also, you can add message to it so you know what's going on, and here you can add message also if you like. Then just click on create. Okay, on the right hand side you got list of instruments. Okay, you probably gonna have 1, 2, maybe 5 different instruments, so you need to add them to your list. Just click on this plus right here, look for your instruments. You can choose from the stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, economy, and options. You can just click on all and look for your symbol, let's say Bitcoin, okay? BTC USD. If you want to add it to the chart, just click on plus and it will appear on the list at the bottom, okay? If you want to change, this is US 100, so NASDAQ. If you want to change it for different instrument, just click on it. You can see now we are on gold. You can switch between these instruments very easy. If you want to see more informations about the instruments, you can click on here, advanced view, and check what you need. If you want to go back, just click on X. Another option which is pretty cool, you can split your screen, let's say for 2 or 3 or even more, so you can see different instruments on the screen. All you need to do is just click on here, and let's say you want 3 different instruments on the chart, just click on it. You can see Euro USD on here. You can change it, let's say for GBP USD. You can change the time frame also. This one I want USD JPY, 5 minutes time frame, okay. And over here we're gonna go GBP JPY, gonna change for 30 minutes time frame. So if you are watching different instruments, you are waiting for the perfect opportunity to enter the position, this might be very, very useful. If you want to go back to the standard view, just click on here again, and the first option right here. You can adjust your chart by scrolling your mouse. You can adjust your chart by scrolling your mouse. You can make it wider over here. If you left click mouse on it and move it up and down, you can see the chart is moving. So if you want to go back to the standard view, just double click on the prices and double click on the dates at the bottom. On TradingView, you got many different tools you can use to make your analysis even better. On the left hand side, there is a list of tools. You can choose from many different ones, like you can see right here. So find your tools, and if you want to add them to the favorites, just click on the start or on here, and they will appear on this panel right here. Let's add another indicator. Let's say we want circle. Okay, I'm gonna click on this star, and you can see it has been added to my list, and I can use it anytime I like. Okay, you just remove it. So you can create the list of tools you are using, so you won't have to look for them every time you need anything. One thing is cool about the tools. Let's say you want to use the trend line, okay? You can use the trend line. Of course, you can change the settings. Just double click on it, and over here you can add description. Let's say trend line. You can change the color of the text. Let's make it black. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Style, you can change the color of the trend line. Let's say you want blue. Also, you can change thickness and line style, okay? If you want to save it, just click on here on template and save as, let's say, trend line new. Okay, I'm gonna go save. Okay, so if you're gonna create the list of the templates of your tools, if you double click on it or just right click on the trend line, go template, and you can choose from your templates. Let's say I want break of structure 1 hour time frame, okay, or maybe I want high volume edge weekly, maybe I want to use open of the day. Okay, so you can change it anytime. It's very quick and easy to use. Basically, you can do that with every single tool you are using. If you go to Fibonacci tool, double click on it, you can add some levels. If you need some more, you can save templates and change it anytime. You can just right click on it, template. Let's say I want different Fibo tool, and it's very easy to change it. If you want to communicate with other traders, there is a chat. You can chat with others, and also over here you got screeners, so we can see what's going on with other assets. Also, you got calendars over here, so you can see if there are any important news coming up today or tomorrow, if it's high impact or maybe low impact. Just have a look over here. This is low importance. This one is medium. Let's look for high right here. This is high importance. So probably you want to avoid this kind of news. Depends which assets you are trading on. If you click on here on community tab, you can see other traders' ideas for the day, for the asset trading plans. You can share with others as well. So this is pretty nice as well. If you got any questions or problems with the trading view, here if you click on the question mark and add some questions and send it directly to the help center. Okay, you're probably wondering if you can connect to any broker. Yes, you can connect to the broker. You need to just find the list of the brokers you can connect your account to. You just click on here, go to the home, and here you got list of brokers you can use on TradingView. You can open account as well or compare brokers, okay? If you're wondering if you can use demo account on TradingView, yes you can. It's pretty easy to open demo account. Just click on trading panel right here. You can see the list of the brokers as well, so you can find the broker to connect your account, and you got option of paper trading. If you click on paper trading, just click on connect, and your account is created. You can see the balance of your account, and if you're gonna open any positions, let's say you want to buy over here, limit orders, stop orders, depends what you are looking for. Okay, let's go buy. You can add stop loss and take profit as well. To close the order, just click on this X right here, close the position. If you're gonna go to paper trading, you can find your orders right here, history, whole account history, and trading journal. Another option to set your order is to click on one of the pretty cool tools, is this one here, long position. Let's say you want to risk ratio 1 to 2. You can see over here. So let's say this is 1% of risk and you want to get 2. If you're gonna move it 1 to 3, 1% of risk, 3% of take profit. Also, you can see how many pips right here. Got 58 pips over here, and the stop loss is 20.8. If you want to set order, just right click on it, create limit order, and you can create, let's say, stop order buy. You can see order is set, and you can basically move your entry point, you can move your stop loss, it's up to you. If you don't need it, just remove it. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you is the market replay, so you can test your strategies. In the free version, I don't think it's available. If you want to use market replay, you need to buy subscription. I'm not sure how much does it cost. I think it's about $18, maybe $20. If you want to use market replay, just click on replay and set your time where you want to start from. Okay, you can change time frames as well. So let's say I want to start from January 27. And you can see we got January 26, 27, and we can test the strategy. If you are using Market Replay, you can add your indicators, you can use all the tools, so basically you can test everything on the history. Okay, also you can change time frames, which is very useful. And here we got option, you can play the chart and see how it's moving. You can change the speed of these candles. Let's say you want it slower, or you can just pause it and left shift and right arrow. You can go candle by candle. Okay, you can do it quicker, you can do it slower. And like I said, you can use every single tool on Market Replay. Okay, basically that's it. TradingView is one of the best platform for analyze many tools, many different indicators. You can even create your own indicators using ChatGPT. If you don't know how to do it, just click on Pine Editor, you paste the code over here, save it and add to the chart. So you can create your own indicators. Okay, so many different options. I'm pretty sure you will love it. If you like this video, just don't forget to subscribe and like.